Let's walk through the assembly of your Beside Me Wink bedside sleeper. Before getting started, make sure all parts are included and in good condition. Lay the sleeper legs flat on the floor. Insert the feet into each leg until they click securely into place. Slide the horizontal support bar into the adapters on both legs until it clicks into position. Insert the vertical bedside support bar into the front-bottom bedside support bar. Insert the assembled support bar pieces into the leg assembly on the side with the straps, making sure the plastic connectors are facing upward, and press until it clicks into place. Insert the rear support bar into the opposite side of the frame until it clicks. Then insert the rear top support bar, followed by the front top bedside supports, pressing each one in until fully locked. Slide the fabric onto the front top bedside supports. Drape the fabric over the vertical bedside support bar and the rear top support bar until fully covered. Zip the fabric completely around the frame. Place the support top bar into the grooves on both sides, then zip the wall closed to secure it. Place the rear cover over the rear support bar and fasten it with the hook and loop straps. Repeat this step on the front support bar and secure it the same way. Place the mattress inside the frame, making sure the curved edge of the mattress matches the curved edge of the frame. Press the mattress down until the plastic clips on the bottom snap securely onto the middle support frame. To use bedside sleeper mode, slide the anchor plates between the mattress and the bed base on the opposite side of the bed. Attach the straps and tighten each one until the sleeper fits firmly against the bed with no gaps. Unzip the side panel completely. Slide the top bar lock lever away from the bar, lift the top bar out of the grooves on both sides, and fold it down. The Beside Me Wink features 7 height positions. Press the height adjustment buttons on both sides of the frame and raise or lower the sleeper until it clicks into your desired height. Always confirm the numbers match on both sides before use. We hope you enjoy the comfort, convenience, and design of your Beside Me Wink bedside sleeper. Thank you for choosing Baby Delight.